What's good, All-In Wrapz fam? Today we got another exciting vlog. We're going to be doing a partial wrap on a coffee truck, and it should be fairly easy. It's a few decals, pretty good payout on this one, and yeah, trying to get our word out, trying to get our name out in San Antonio, and yeah, this is how it looks. So it's something simple, you know, just with the decals and stuff. Yeah, this is their brand name, Strong Tower Coffee Co., their Instagram and stuff. This is the side of the truck. We're just gonna, you know, put their menu, you know, something simple on top and their big logo. These guys had nothing, so I'm really glad I got to work with them and stuff, get my name out there, while also providing them with a really great high quality wrap for a good price. Yeah, and this is the front side where you order. We did change it up a bit. The menu's not gonna be as big, and yeah, we should have their social medias and stuff, and the menu, what they serve. Yeah, it should be a really fun install. So stay tuned to the full video, guys, and we'll show you how everything is done. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon. What's up, guys? It's actually the morning of the wrap. Yes, we're gonna be doing a coffee trailer today, and I can't wait. Honestly, this one's gonna be really fun. Finally knocking out some big projects this year. Check it out, got my coffee, and honestly, I can't wait to start getting more of these. These business wraps are gonna be our bread and butter at All-In Wrapz. Hopefully we can get some more business wraps in, you know, through word of mouth and stuff and advertising. But yeah, this should be a really fun installation and stuff, and I'll go check you guys out at the installation site. So peace.
Going on, Wrap family. Today we're at the spot.
Hey, how's it going?
We're about to do some decals on this food truck. We're about to get it done. This is the concept we got. You know, we're about to make it a reality. You already know. We're here with Papa Steve.
Papa All-In.
And we're here with me and little Steve. And we're about to get this done. Hooray.
Hooray.
Hooray. First step, alcohol onto the wipey.
Decontamination clean, where we remove all this material and debris from the surface and making sure it's very clean and wiped down thoroughly.
Good, All-In Wrapz family. We're back at it. As you can see, we just got the installation done. Looking flawless, absolutely beautiful, no flaws. All right, All-In Wrapz family, let's get into the B-roll. Yo, what's up, All-In Wrapz family? Today we just put up these Wordingtons on to it. We're gonna make it straight and we're gonna make it look good. We also put some decals up, as you can see, and we're gonna put some more stuff on. We're gonna put their logo up there, and yeah, hopefully we can get this done in the next minute. So we'll cut back in 5 seconds, I guess. Yo, what's good? I just finished up. I gotta leave. I'm hungry. Gotta go with my girl. So had fun.
Before hose, bro.
I'm set tripping, but it's good. Alright, I'll see y'all. Thanks for the experience. See you later, alligator.
This is our good friend Fernando. How do you like it, man?
I like it, man. It's really awesome. Yeah, you did a great job.
I'm glad you love it, bro.
I love it. Yeah, I mean, it explains everything about the coffee trailer. It gives vision to people to see where we are, who we are, what we are, right?
That's right.
And all of the items that we have. I mean, it's really interesting how it all works together. So when they're ordering here at the window, they can see all our social media, another thing of our logo, some more things that we do, and then the large awesome logo. So,
Yeah, you're gonna see this when you go drive in.
yeah.
Heck yeah, man. I'm glad you like it, bro.
Yeah, it's awesome. So All-In Wrapz. You guys did a good job.
Yeah, baby.
Good job.
Appreciate it, sir.
Perfect.
Cut. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias, smash that like button, and also subscribe. Please go check out our social media at All-In Wrapz. That's All-In Wrapz on Instagram, and go ahead and follow us on Facebook too. But yeah, we're trying to get our following as big as possible, just so we could, cover all of the city and stuff. We're really trying to guerrilla market this year and really make a big impression on everybody. So yeah, definitely please go follow us. Give us a shout out too if you guys want. And again, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for more vlogs and stuff like this, and I can't wait to put out more content for you guys. Everyone have a beautiful day. Bye.